nothing else to do, and I hope I don't regret watching this movie. Okay, Birds of Prey. Mediocre, to be perfectly honest. Like, there was action and everything, but there was just a lot of just nonsense that I saw. And I mean, it didn't have anything special to it, per se. I didn't feel, like, inspired by it or anything. I didn't feel like it had a ton of meaning. So, again, mediocre. It was like one of those watches that you would just watch because you have nothing else to do. Not one of those movies where you would go, ooh, I really want to watch them. I will say the highlight of that movie is definitely Ewan McGregor's portrayal of Black Mask. I found that really funny, especially because he's Obi-Wan Kenobi. But in reality, that movie's not the best. And I mean, we only really see Black Mask in his mask once in the entire movie. So you don't really get the Black Mask vibes, you just kind of get the rich gangster sort of thing. And it's not the best. I don't have a ton to say about this movie, to be perfectly honest. You know, like, was it good? Yeah. I was kind of disappointed. Storyline was kind of dumb. Makes sense, but kind of dumb. It didn't really have much meaning behind it. No. It was free, so I watched it. I'm glad that I did not go to the movie theater and watch this, just because that's not worth $15. I'm glad that I saw it for free, just because I don't think I'd watch that for $15. I don't even think I'd watch it for $5. It was, like I said, mediocre, and it wasn't super interesting. Sure, there was action, but I mean, literally the beginning segment is just to tell us that Harley Quinn is separated from the Joker and she wants an egg sandwich. I mean, really? And I guess that's just kind of part of having a narrator that's Harley Quinn. Like, with the Joaquin Phoenix Joker movie, it was a very unreliable narrator. He kept on, like, twisting things and everything. Harley's just a forgetful narrator, and it kind of dumbed down the movie a little bit. And it didn't make it shine as much as it probably could have. There's a lot in presentation, and I feel like this movie could just kind of didn't have it. But if you guys did enjoy or agree with my perspective, then please let me know in the comments. If you haven't seen this movie, I'd definitely recommend that you see it, just so that you know what I'm talking about at least, or just so that you really get it. And well, see you next video. Bye.